So while that vegetable and tomato sauce is cooking, I'm going to show you another sauce that we can put with our pasta, and this is even simpler. It's only got a couple of ingredients, and again it's very tasty. So what we've got freshly grated, finely grated garlic, olive oil. You can use parsley. I've got some herb garden, so I've got a little bit of parsley, a little bit of dill, and a little bit of coriander just to mix through that. Salt and pepper as normal. We're just going to pop that oil into the pan, the olive oil. Just want to warm that slightly. Now you don't want to get this too hot because we're going to put the garlic in this, and what we're going to do is just infuse the garlic into the oil, cook it, but we don't want to colour it. If we colour it, then the garlic will become a little bit bitter and it won't taste so good, because obviously the garlic is the main ingredient. This is a packed garlic and herb sauce or oil to go in onto your pasta, just to make it nice and tasty. So as I say, these are just simple. I'm going to be doing a few more different pasta dishes over the next couple of weeks, because obviously it's a staple part of our diet. It's very cheap. I mean, these dishes are coming in pretty low. Off the top of my head, I can't remember what it is now, but I have got them on the website, and they're costed per portion, and it's not a lot at all. And these are, I would say, more like lunchtime sort of fillers for the kids. It fills them up when they're at home, as they are on lockdown at the moment. So if you can just see that, the garlic is frying, but it's frying gently. We want to cook it and soften it, but we don't want it to go too dark. So I'm going to turn that down a little bit more, just another degree. And then we're going to let that cook for about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, to go really, really tender. Okay, so we've got our garlic. It's nicely cooked, just colouring slightly, but without getting getting it too brown. I'm going to add the fresh herbs to this. So it's just very, very simple. Just going to let them infuse just for a second or two. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this, and it's easier to mix it, and a little bit of pepper to that. And then I've got my pasta pre-cooked, so I cooked that just 10 minutes ago. And then what I'm going to do is, I've got linguine here. That's what we've got in the cupboard. You know, time's a little bit pressing with the cooking still, so we've still got to see what's in the supermarkets. I've got some linguine, but you can use parsley for this. You can use any pasta you want, really. All the pasta dishes I put up, I'll either say it's just pasta, or if I put spaghetti or I put penne, it's really about just having whatever pasta you've got in your cupboards, or what is your favourite and what the children's favourite is. This one, very, very simple, look. And it smells delicious. I mean, obviously you've got to like garlic to have this, but this is a very, very simple but tasty dish. So let me just pop that over there out of the way of the camera. And then right there. Okay, so you can see that, and then say, very easy. It's literally a 5-minute pasta dish. Now, of course, if you want, you can add you can add whatever cheese you like to that. We've got a little bit of grated Parmesan, or it's literally as delicious just like that. So there, literally a 5-minute, once your pasta's cooked, a 5-minute sauce to go. It's really, really tasty, really delicious. I hope you enjoy that one and try it.